Bea and me will fly the drone. So Bea is going to be the pilot. But before that, merong isang ibon na nagkamali na pumunta doon sa window namin. Ito yung window namin. Tapos nag-smash siya ng ganyan. Ay, ito nga pala yung asawa ko. Hi, Mami. Say hi to our vlog.
Hello!
Tapos, ito yung ibon na nag-smack dito. So, ang nangyari, lipad-lipad siyang ganyan. Tapos, nag-smack siya. Ito. Ito ngayon siya. I'm gonna show you. I think it's a raven though. So, buhay pa naman siya. Pero parang nahihilo-hilo na siya. Can you see it? Yan, nahihilo-hilo siya. Mami, nagva-vlog ako eh. So, ayan. So, Mommy's just taking a picture of the raven. Can you comment down below kung anong klaseng ibon to? Kasi I think it's a raven.
That is a raven.
Black siya, pure black, tapos yellow yung beak niya.
It's orange.
Orange ba? Okay, sorry. Tapos parang okay naman siya, kaso lang yun nga, parang nauntog siya. Kanina, nung, nung nakita ko siya, may bulati pa siya din sa beak niya. So, hopefully, gumaling siya. Pero parang nahilo-hilo na siya. Wala na siyang strength na maglipad-lipad. So, that's it for today. Pero, after this video, mag-fly na ng drone si Bea. She's going to pilot the drone, and I'm gonna teach her how to do it. So, I'm gonna go there a little bit so that you can see it. Am I still on the frame? Yeah. So, this is it. Amazing, right? I can you zoom out again. So I'm just gonna put it here kasi dito ko rin naman talaga siya nakita nung nauntog siya dun sa salamin. So hopefully mabuhay pa rin siya. Everyone, so unfortunately, yung bird na nakita namin, namatay din as in like a minute or 2 minutes ago. So yun, nilagay na lang namin siya sa corner ng garden or ng grass. But anyway, as I've mentioned a while ago, Bea, yung youngest daughter ko, I'll be teaching her how to fly the drone. I think she already knew how to fly the drone and like navigate on ang tawag doon, yung joystick and everything. So, yes, see you on the next slide or video. Bye! Everyone, we're back and now tuturuan ko na si Bea na magpalipad ng drone. And just an update, as I've mentioned a while ago, yung ibon na nakita namin na tumama doon sa window, patay na siya. Sorry. What are we gonna do about it, Bea?
I don't know.
Okay, but anyway, it's still a good day today because what we're going to do is we're going to let Bea pilot this drone, and this is gonna be an amazing day. Even though it's a cloudy day today, it's still amazing since this is the time that me and Bea will bond together with this little drone. A while ago, I had a mishap because yung you need to make sure that the application itself is always updated para gumana siya. So what I did was I updated it and it took like 5 to 10 minutes just for me to update it. So come over here, Bea, and we're going to let we're going to show them how you fly the drone. So here. So you're going to see the ano yung cellphone na may app. So here, Bea, you hold this. No, just hold it like this. Okay. So I'm gonna show you how you start flying the drone, and you can do that by pressing on this one, tapos press and hold this one. Okay. So let's do that. There you go. So igilid natin ng konti para makita doon sa camera. Ayan. And I'll start the video para makita nyo rin yung kung ano yung nakikita nung drone. Yan. And then, I'm going to let Bea control now the drone. So, basic. So this one will let the drone go forward. And then this one backward. This one going to the left. This one going to the right. And of course, that would be applicable kung nakaharap doon yung camera. So this one, if you do it like this, it's gonna yaw to the left. This one would yaw to the right. And this one, if you put it up, the drone would also go up. And this one would also, the drone would also go down. So let's go. Oh, yeah.
So I just forgot everything.
Just keep on trying, or
Oh, okay. So I get this.
just explain to them what you're doing.
So everyone, we're just playing with this drone.
Yeah, you move forward. Oh, you're facing it here.
We're facing it here, everybody. It sees us now.
Yeah.
But now we're gonna
I'm going
turn
to
it back
also
around.
put on the video what the drone is seeing. So explain to them how you press or control the joystick. So if you use the joystick, something like that.
So everyone, I'm just gonna take a quick pic.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna turn this around all the way to us. There we go. Let's go a bit down. And I'm gonna take a quick pic. And took a pic. Okay, but I also turn off the video. So now I'm gonna turn it back around. My gosh. So everyone, if you don't see this, so there's a bird, and then those are the trees where all of the birds live. And if you're hearing this, there are so many chirping because it's when Jillian.
Are you mad?
Chirping. We're not mad. So
can you let the drone come to us?
So here is our bunny. In that cage is our bunny.
Ah, you're seeing it there.
So our bunny, it's right there. It's very cute. It's in there, but it's all the way in the corner, and then that's our car. So now we're gonna face it to us.
Okay, face it to us.
Okay. Until it sees us. Okay. Okay, it's facing to us now. So
Can you let it come to us?
we're going forward. Not that forward though. Ta-da! Now we're gonna take a pic, everyone.
Hi everyone, I'm back. So we had to cut the video right away because I had to do something about the Realme NZ post something para mag para yung mailman ay makapagpadala pa rin ng sulat or ng kung ano man doon sa post namin. And later, or if not, we'll still take a lot of videos of BEA playing on the drone. It's just that we need to go there now kasi it's my off today para hindi sayang sa oras at patuloy pa rin kaming makareceive ng mga mails from NZ Post. Because we need to go to Ashburton, I think. So that's it for today's video. See you later. Bye bye.